While we will often choose to use our mouse a lot in Excel, it is actually possible to perform all Excel operations using Reader software or just the keyboard. We're going to use this video to look at how we can use Excel's accessibility options. Now, to open up the program in the first place, if you have a newer version of Windows, you can use Cortana, which is voice activated. Alternatively, there are several keyboard options for accessing software. Once the program is open, and I'm just going to activate it, to open up a brand new blank workbook, all you need to do is press Enter. So we're going to do that. And there's our Excel workbook ready to go. To navigate around the different cells, your best bet is to use the arrow keys when there isn't any date in there. But we want to start by putting a heading right at the top in A1. So I'm just going to type my budget. And now normally we would click Enter or Tab to come out of the cell. The only problem is we will then need to navigate back to that cell if we want to format it, which we do. So instead, we're going to hold our Control key down and press Enter. It's like pressing Enter, but it stays on the cell, so quite useful. Now I want to format that text. I want to start by making it bold, and then I want to change the size and the color. There are a lot of keyboard shortcuts that could help, but it's hard to remember loads of keyboard shortcuts. So for this exercise, there's just one keyboard stroke you need to know, and that's the Alt key. Find the Alt key just left of your spacebar and click. You will notice that some little numbers have appeared on your quick access toolbar, and a whole bunch of letters have appeared under your ribbon tabs. If I wanted to save, for example, if I press the number 1, that will save my document. If I wanted to undo, I could press the 2 on my quick access. To use the ribbon, you have to first specify which ribbon tab you want to activate, even if you currently are on that ribbon tab. So I want to use the Home tab, so I'm going to press H. You'll now notice that all the tools on the Home tab of the ribbon have a number or a letter from which you can activate them. So to make the text bold, I'm going to click the number 1, because you can see there's a 1 just under the B for bold. Job done. Let's see how we can change our font size now. So same process, press Alt and H. To change font size, we're going to need to press the letters FS. So FS, and my font size is now highlighted. I'm going to change that to size 18 and press Enter. And I can change the color in much the same way. So Alt, H, FC for font color. The black at the top is highlighted at the moment, so I'm going to press my down arrow to get into my colors. It's on orange, so one left to get to the blue, and Enter. So that's just using your arrow keys. And now it would be really good if I could make that column, that first column, a little bit wider. So let's see how we can do that. Again, we're still working on the Home tab, so Alt and H. Look over to the right-hand side of the tab, and in the Cells group you'll see Insert, Delete, and Format. Those are all the tools for working with rows, columns, and cells. And we want to format, so we're going to click O. And I want to change my column width, so press W, and let's make it 25. And then just press Enter. So using just my keyboard, I have now created some text and formatted it. The last thing we're going to do is look at how we can save the workbook. Now, I could press Control S, or if I want to continue using my Alt key, remember we can press Alt and 1 to save. I can now use a combination of my arrow keys or my tab to get around this dialog. So this will take me up and down. Okay, but I want to actually save this file in my admin folder. So I'm going to press Tab to get into admin and then Enter to select. You will notice the file name dialog is actually highlighted. So I'm going to type in budget and then just click Enter to save. So we've now seen how using just our keyboard or some narration software, you can open Excel, create a new workbook, format it, and save it.